It is generally accepted that it is impossible for any individual or group of individuals to know everything about the universe or about all aspects of reality. There is simply too much information and too many mysteries that remain to be explored and understood. However, it is possible for individuals or groups to know certain things with a high degree of certainty. For example, scientists can use the scientific method to observe, test, and verify certain phenomena and theories, and they can gain a deep understanding of certain areas of knowledge. Similarly, individuals can learn and become knowledgeable about specific subjects or areas of study through education and experience. However, even with this knowledge and understanding, there will always be limits to what we can know and understand. There are many mysteries that remain unsolved, and there will always be more to learn and discover about the universe and about reality. Ultimately, the question of whether we can know anything or everything at all is a deeply philosophical one, and there is no definitive answer.